Okay, guys, I'm just gonna view my analytics. Yo, why you guys not 89% subscribed, bro? Wait, what? There's no males? There's only female? Yeah, I literally have views, bro. I got views. What is this? Of course, not 35, but they're probably using their mom's account. Of course, Brazil na, United States, eh, kasi Pilipino ako eh. At Pilipino. Subscribe, yung pindot yung subscribe button. Kundi, yung putote mo ay maliit. Just kidding. Charo, just kidding. I'm just kidding, okay? Charo. Charo. Subtitles, English, Filipino, Chinese, what? Okay. But, look, I finally got this. Yes! About the same? Ooh, that's why I got 109 subscribers. Sup, new viewer? If you're a new viewer, just put that subscribe button in your mouth already. Views, yeah. What? What the? Wait. Did I make a community? Bro, why do you always die in Call of Duty? I don't know, bro. Yeah, comments, mentions. Oh hell no. Publish. Sort by hell. Cool kids from the hood. Cool kid from the hood. For real. Oh wait, also, I just had an idea. I'm gonna comment. I'm gonna do what a lot of YouTubers do in the next short. But bye guys, subscribe.